You're looking at a channel called AFM Kids, and you see there's some works that we've done. But today you're looking at my pet bird. I'm gonna reveal his name at the end, and he's eating right now. I don't know where that pole went. I mean, but make sure to subscribe to this channel and comment down below what you think his name is. And also, press the like button. And we have our bird that likes tea. He's eating right now. Make sure you give him a healthy diet of pellets and food. He might drop his pellets in the food. That's fine. Make sure you get him toys to play with. See if I could zoom into that swing so you can get a little bit of it. So we can get a little bit of the swing. Nope. Sorry, but I think that's all we needed. And make sure you give him a good clean floor. I put newspapers, but you could put your choice paper towels or paper. And give him a healthy diet. Give him water, and give him perches to go on. If you give him a mirror, he'll either slip on the swing or by the mirror. And I think that's all I need to tell you. Bye. And I forgot the reveal name. Reedy. Make sure to press the like button. Comment down below. Comment down below what you think our turtle's name and our frog name is. And bye. And subscribe to this channel. Bye.